Namaskara everyone. Welcome on your Beauty of Divine Tarot. I'm your dear Ketana. I'm here today with a new pick a book reading to know how is your 7 to 15 days from the day you're watching this reading, because this is a timeless reading. So all you have to do now is to invite and ask your angels or God the question and pick a book that they ask you to pick for your answer. Take your time and pick a pile. I'll catch you on your reading. See you. Namaste Palwan, welcome on your reading. Your reading goes like this: from whenever you're watching this reading, your next 7 to 15 days is yet to be glorious, abundant, and successful. You will have everything that you desire. Firstly, if I have to talk about health, maybe you were stressing more on your fitness and health recently, so you have permanent recoveries or your health issues are yet to get permanent solution within a year. And the process starts in these 7 to 15 days. You will get to consult a senior most best experienced doctor, might be a lady, who will help you heal all your health suffering permanently. You will start shining like a queen very soon due to your fitness, charm, and glow on your face. Secondly, when it comes to finances, with careful financial management, you will be filled with contentment in life. Many opportunities are coming your way, but while dealing with the finance, try to be balanced with your EQ and IQ effectively and efficiently. Don't be an emotional fool. Take guidance and advices from elder and experienced professional before doing investment. Thirdly, your career. You will get rewarded for your hard work. If anyone has manipulated you or bullied you or tricked you or had cheated on you and taken away your credits, he or she will suffer his or her karma and you will be honored for your hard work. You will win over any circumstances in your job or education environment. Any legal matters, the victory will be yours only if you were honest. Fourthly and finally, coming to love life, you will be made feel special like a king or a queen from your loved one. You will be given the whole authority with love by your beloved. Your partner will start accepting the way you are. If you are single, you will be meeting someone who is into healing profession, maybe a doctor, nurse, healer, light worker, who will help you experience and recognize your inner strength. And never miss to give a like, comment, and share with your friends if it has resonated. I'll catch you again on your next reading. See you all. Bye-bye. Namaste Pile 2. Whoever has chosen Power Capsules, here is your reading. From whenever you're watching this reading, your next 7 to 15 days will be filled with fruits of your hard works. To be added, don't try to be a smart worker. Specifically to talk about health, there is a emotional health healing. You can take help of any counselor if you want. Your own siblings and family will be your best healers. You would have been cheated in the past, for which I can see lot of healing coming towards you through your family or people of your homeland. For any other physical health issues, please discuss about it with your elders in your home and then take decisions. Secondly, to talk about finance, you will have to work hard to enjoy the pride in the future. Smart work will not serve you. Don't get into lazy and lethargic energy that will hamper your growth. Your saved finances will be employed. It will be the busiest period, working hard to earn money in order to expect the returns in the future dates. Thirdly, to talk about your career, fabulous period to expect all the growth and promotion in your career. Environment to build your career or to start building your career, it's all fabulous. You will have emotional and mental supportive environment in work or educational place, but give up pride. Right time to convince your parents for higher studies. Never let any love or relation affect your career life. Take help of family and family friends to get over any hard times. Don't give up. Good time is yet to start. You get to eat the fruit of your hard works. Last but not the least, to talk about your love life, you can expect in and out energy from your partner. No emotional stability, loss of passion for each other. You just got to see the rejection in spite of being honest and loyal in the past. So just surrender and start focusing on yourself, on your own career, as they are doing it for now. It's not the right time for union. Let the other one know your value. Learn each other's importance. The love between you both has to still mature to stay for long term. What is yours will always be yours. You will get what you deserve even without asking. And Never miss to give a like, comment, and share with your friends if it resonated. I'll catch you again on your next reading. See you. Bye bye. Namaskara, pile 3. People who ever choose Build Your Personality book. Here is your reading. From whenever you're watching this reading, your next 7 to 15 days will be a bit moody. So please connect with nature. Specifically to talk about your health, cure for your health issues or betterment is outside your motherland or outside the city in which you're currently living. Any operation that has to be done, don't worry, it will be a success. For your emotional healing, take a long drive or go for traveling. Sunbath will help you keep your health on track. Secondly, to talk about your finance, stuck payments will reach you within 2 or 4 months. You will lose beautiful opportunity if you are into lethargic and procrastinating energy. Wake up early morning to stay active and swift, which saves you from getting cheated. You have enough finance, stop experimenting with your finances. Basically, till next 4 months, don't try to resign the present job or invest your money in any new shares. It is not the right time. Thirdly, to talk about your career is good. You might feel dominated from your higher authorities or seniors for an extent. Give up pride and ego for safer environment and try not to hurt anyone else's ego. Don't argue or complain, which might create misunderstanding between you and your higher authority. Keep doing what you're supposed to do. You will get the fruit of your patience in next 4 months. Take guidance of a trustworthy elderly male personality to support you with the situation. Finally, to tell about your love, deceptions, emotional breakdown, confusions exist, but no issues, you will get over it if you think practically. Don't let this affect your health. He or she will clarify things from their end within 4 to 5 weeks if you are waiting for someone's response, or at least you have to make a move to give them a clarity. If you're single, don't be in a hurry to get in commitment. Take your time, take it slow, take moon bath, pray for moon on every new moon and full moon. And never miss to give a like, comment, and share with your friends if it has resonated. I'll catch you on your next reading. See you all. Bye bye.